Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about edit multi-constraint. For that, I create a rectangle, select constraint, and apply dimensions on this rectangle. By double-clicking on it, you can edit the dimension. I select 85 mm. Again, select constraint. This line, 30 mm. Select constraint from here to here. Distance is 65. Select constraint. Distance from here to here. I select here 50 mm. Our whole sketch is in green color, which means our sketch is fully constrained. Now select edit multi-constraint. In edit multi-constraint, we can edit multiple dimensions at the same time. For example, I want to change this 50 to 45 mm. I select here 50 and here select front value 45 mm. Select preview. See here, this is 45 mm. Now I want to change this dimension from 85 to 55. Click on it. Select this dimension. Select this dimension and here type 55. You can also add tolerances at here. Maximum tolerance I add here plus 0.02 mm and minimum tolerance minus 0.02 mm. Preview. See here. These are tolerances. If you want to delete this dimension and restore initial value, select here initial. See here it will select its previous value, which was 85 mm. Or you can also change here restore initial tolerances. Select here tolerance is 0. I want to restore this dimension. Restore initial value. See here we will change 45 to 50 mm, which was the previous value. Select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.